A very good morning, dear students, and welcome to your English online explanation class. And now, today in this video lesson, we are going to read about scene number 7. The Prince of Morocco tries his luck. Now, he is in Belmont in a room in Portia's house where he is going to try his luck. Last time we studied that he wanted to try his luck to win Portia's hand in marriage, and that is why he would take the chance of choosing the right casket or not getting married to anybody in life. Now let's understand what he's doing. At Portia's place in Belmont, Portia shows the Prince of Morocco the 3 chests and the details father's scheme for picking the suitor. Now the first casket, made of gold, is inscribed with words, "Who chooses me shall gain with many men desires." What many men desire. Now, the second is made of silver. "Who chooses me shall get as he deserves." Now the third says, a heavy leaden casket declares, "Who chooses me must give and risk all he has." Inside one chest is picture of Portia. If the suitor chooses the right with the picture, then he can have the girl. Otherwise, he dies old and alone. Now, after knowing all the rules of Prince of Morocco, goes over and reaches the inscription for reasons to himself. He rejects the lead casket as being not worth high stakes for his gambles. Then he ponders a long time over silver casket, and the words "get as much as he deserves" and inscribed on it. Now he is giving his all thought into silver one because the inscription says "will get as much as he deserves." So now he is spending time over it. But then the prince is quite sure that he deserves Portia, and I deserve Portia by birth. I deserve her. He thinks that he deserves Portia by birth. But ultimately, the prince rejects the silver casket because he thinks that Portia's father would not immure a Portia of his treasure's daughter in a metal 10 times undervalued than gold. Now he thinks that a person who loves his daughter so much, Portia, will not treasure her luck in a metal casket which is made out of the metal which is 10 times less undervalued than gold. So he thinks because it is less valued than gold, Portia's father must not have kept it there. Then the prince reasons that a Portia of Portia, a mortal, breathing a saint, a woman who all world desires, can only be within the gold casket. Now he thinks that Portia's luck would only be treasured in gold casket because she is a woman of all desires. The world desires her, and her luck would only be saved in the gold casket. Now, after much pondering, the prince chooses the gold casket. Now he is hoping to find an angel in a golden bed. Now he is thinking that he would find Portia's picture in the golden casket, but he reasons that only the most of the precious metal could have housed the picture of such beautiful woman. Now he says that only gold, which is such a important or a precious metal, can only treasure her pictures. Then the prince asks Portia to give him the key and open the golden box so he can try his luck. But when he opens the golden casket, he finds a picture of a skull with a scroll in its eye socket, infamous of to a life solitude, and makes hasty departure quietly with his entourage. Now Portia is glad that she hopes that every suitor with Morocco complexion makes the same choice. Now she is saying that when the Prince of Morocco makes wrong choice, Portia is very happy because she thinks that every suitor who comes with the skin color of Prince of Morocco should make the same choice, should make the wrong choice, because she is not in love with them and she do not want to get married to them. Now the Prince of Morocco, what he got? He got a picture of skull with a scroll in its eye socket. Now this is infamous picture which portrays the lifelong loneliness. Now after this he goes away with a lot of anger, and he leaves with a lot of anger with his entourage. Entourage means all his servants, all his army, that is called as entourage. Now I hope students that you have understood the chapter. If you have any problem, please contact me personally or on the group and I will solve it for you. The chapter is very simple, but just give it a reading 1 or 2 times. Then you will be able to understand it in a better way. Thank you so much, students. Please take care of yourself and your family as well. I will be sharing the PDF for this next time with the next chapter. For now, just understand the chapter and enjoy your weekend. Thank you.